Hi, my name is Joan Hughes and this is ECDL Word Processing Module 3, Assignments 41 to 50 support video. So let's start with changing the case of the heading. As we can see, the heading is in all capital letters. And on the home ribbon in the font section, I'm moving to the change case button, and here I'm going to just change it to capitalize the first letter. And as you can see, it has changed the word. Now I want to apply spacing above and below each of the paragraphs, so I've highlighted the paragraphs, and on the page layout ribbon in the spacing section I'm going to increase to 6 point above and below. And now while I have these paragraphs highlighted, on the home ribbon I'm going to apply bullets. The next thing I'm going to do is I want to apply a theme to the table, so I'm going to select the table, and on the design ribbon here we have our themes. I'm just going to choose a theme for the table and it has applied it. Once again, now I want to change the colour of the borders, so on the home ribbon I have the table selected, and here in the paragraph section I'm going into borders and shading. I'm going to all, I'm going to change the colour to red, and I'm going to click OK, and we can see the changes that have been applied. So the next thing I want to do is I want to change the width of the column, so I select the table again, we go to the layout ribbon, and here in width I'm going to increase it and bring it up to 5.5. Now the next thing I'm going to do is apply superscript, but just to explain it, if I type in 12 and TH for the date and press the space bar, it applies superscript. So I want to apply that to these codes in the table. So on the home ribbon here we have subscript and superscript, so I'm just going to choose superscript. So now I want to insert a row at the end of the table, so I'm going to click into the last cell, and on the layout ribbon I'm going to insert below. Now in this first cell I want to insert some symbols, so I'm going to go insert. On the far right hand side I'm going to choose symbols, and then I'm going to more symbols. Now I'm in the symbol section, but you can change that to whichever section you want to go to. But I want the shamrock in the symbol section. I'm going to insert once, and you can see it's gone in once, so I'm going to insert again 2 and 3. So now I want to remove the second row in the table, so I'm going to select the row, and on the layout ribbon I'm going to go to the delete and rows. So next I want to insert a piece of clip art under the table, so I'm going to go to insert and clip art. You type in the word you want to search for and you click the go button, and it's come up here for me already, so I'm going to select one of these and it pops it in. Now while I have it selected I can change the height or the width, so I'm going to change the height down to 4. I'm going to then go to the home ribbon and I'm going to center it, and then I'm going to close the little side panel and deselect it. Now I want to insert an image under this, so I want to insert a picture. Now as you're aware of at this stage, you go to where you have your folder located, your M3 folder, you choose the picture, double click it, and it puts it in. Now I want to save this document as Word 5. Now I've done it before, so it's asking me to replace, that's OK. And then I'm going to close this. And now I'm going to open Word 4 document. Now if you want to save a document as a template, you go to File, Save As, and in here instead of file name you go to Save as Type, you choose Word Template and you go Save. So now I'm finished with that, so I'm going to File and I'm going to Close, and now I'm going to open Doc 1. So open, again locate the document. Now I'm going to use the help function. So I'm going to go to the little question mark here, Now I'm looking for information about bold, so I type it in and press my enter button or my search button. I select any one from the list and then on the keyboard I'm going to press my print screen button. That takes a picture of it. I'm going to close this. I'm going to choose paste, and this shows the image that I've taken. Now I'm going to save this and I'm going to close this document. Now, the last document we're going to open is Memo 1. So I have Memo 1. So now I have to type in some information. So 2. Now I want to line the next part of the text out. So I'm going to set a tab by just clicking here at 3. And I'm going to press the tab key above caps lock. And I'm going to type in John Adams. Then from, tab key again, my own name. And then tab key again above caps lock. And there I have it completed, and as you can see the tab has allowed me to line up the text. So I'm going to save what I've done and I'm going to close. Thank you very much.